I'm Tiffany with Writing Career Coach. Today I want to talk to the writers who have been putting in the work, the ones who are writing in between client projects, who squeeze words out of tired evenings or early mornings, who have been doing this for years and still hesitate to call themselves a real writer. You are not alone, and this feeling you've wrestled with doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It means you're living what most professional writers live. You've written blog posts, maybe you've self-published books, possibly even gotten some bylines, ghostwriting. But still, when someone asks you what you do, you kind of pause, you hesitate. There's a little bit of doubt. That moment is so familiar to many of us. We say, I write, almost apologetically, as if we're waiting for someone to quiz us on our legitimacy. And it shouldn't be that way. There is no moment when someone walks in and declares, you're officially a writer. The work is what makes you a writer, not the money, the book deal, the followers, or even a viral post. It is the consistent, honest work that you do that's the thing that counts. I want you to help shift your mind on how you see progress. It won't come from a single breakthrough. It comes from looking at the writing you've already done. Look at what you've written, blog posts, outlines, rewrites, the things you gave up on, something that just taught you something. All of that is part of being a professional writer, so keep track of it. Not to prove to anyone else, but to remind yourself that you are moving. Because if you're waiting for validation, stop. You already have the right to call yourself a professional. What you need now is to own it.